There you
go.
So you're going to start off, Celine?
It's in Matthew Street.
Matthew Street.
Are you going to start off?
Should I be 6 on?
You possibly could.
Okay, this song is called Bird in a Cage.
It's your own?
Oh, this is my own. I'm as free as a bird in a cage, and your love holds the key. And if you'd only just reach in and touch, you would set my heart free. I could fly over mountains, look down from above. I could see through the hatred and see through the love. I'm as free as a bird in a cage, 'cause I'm nailed to the ground. To the ground. I'm as free as a bird in the sky, but I can't find my way. And all I know is I promised the earth, if you just let me stay, I would watch over you from the sun to the moon. I don't need very much, I won't take up much room. I'm as free as a bird in a cage, 'cause I'm nailed to the ground. To the ground. Halfway around this world and back again, you send me each time I think of you. Halfway around this world, I'd gladly spend my time if I could just rely on you. I'm as free as a bird up above, I can walk on the wire. And if I thought you were waiting for me, I would jump through your fire. I would rise up above from the ashes below and slip into your heart. No one need ever know. I'm as free as a bird in a cage. I'm as free as a bird in a cage. I'm as free as a bird in a cage, 'cause I'm nailed to the ground. To the ground. I'm nailed to the ground.